Hello, this is David Ashling of AshLing Driving. I'm going to look at the controls and instruments for the car that I'm going to drive. These vary from car to car, so you can look in the vehicle handbook to see where they all are. You generally find that inside the glove compartment. And on this particular model, of course, the book is contained in the black wallet and looks like this. So all the controls and instruments that you need to know will be detailed in there. Just briefly go through the ones that you need to know in order to drive on the first lesson in this car. Let's start with the foot controls. There are 3 pedals on a car, and it's manually controlled via a gearbox. And the one on the left, which you're going to use with your left foot only, is called the clutch pedal. And with the clutch pedal there are 3 positions. You can press it all the way down to the floor, you can bring it all the way up and take your foot off it, which is called clutch up, and in the middle is the most important part of the clutch, which is where it just begins to bite. And we'll use that for getting the driving wheels just ready to go by linking the engine to the driving wheels via the clutch pedal. A slight movement up on the clutch will make the car want to go even more and go forwards if you're in first gear, or backwards if you're in reverse gear. Depressing the clutch down just a little bit will take the pressure off the wheels and enable you to relax while you do observations around the car before moving off, or anything else that you need to do. So finding the clutch party point is a really important part of the clutch pedal. The other 2 pedals are in the centre with your right foot to find the brake pedal. Keep the heel directly in line with the brake pedal when using the brake pedal, and put the instep firmly on the brake. Now press it gently. You should feel immediate resistance from the brake pedal, and if you press it firmly it should feel firm and not spongy nor slack. To move from the brake pedal to the gas pedal or the throttle or the accelerator, move your instep to the right while keeping the heel of the right foot still behind the brake pedal, and the gas pedal will be found further down than the brake pedal, a different shape, and light pressure on the gas pedal is all that we need. You'll find there is no resistance on the gas pedal compared to the brake pedal, and that's how you'll recognise the difference between the 2, as well as having your foot in a different position. So they're the 3 pedals. Now we move on to the hand controls. Most important hand control is the steering wheel, and you need to be able to rotate your hands around the wheel so that you keep the grip on it at all times while driving. So the hands need to be able to move from the top of the wheel, which would be 12 o'clock on the clock, sliding the left hand down the left hand side of the wheel down to 6 o'clock, and the right hand down the right hand side of the wheel to 6 o'clock, and keep the wheels in that semicircular arc by keeping the hands on both sides. The next thing that we need to use with the hands is the gear lever and the handbrake. So to operate those, slide your right hand to the top of the steering wheel to keep the wheel steady and straight while finding the handbrake lever. You'll find it down to the side of you, and there will be on most handbrakes a button that you press by pushing it in firmly.